Okay, so first let's start with 6, then we'll go to 7. So for 6, you're going to use the food price list that you see here to answer the question. So let's talk about what you wanted to do. So at the top of your paper, so if you have a sheet of paper, please, write just number 6. That's fine by me. Okay, so this is about you're planning for an event. You're going to have some people over at your house. You have $200 to buy snacks, and there will be about 40 people coming over. You have to spend as much of the $200 as possible without going over. Okay, so here's your price list, and we're assuming there's no snacks, or there's no snacks. I was reading the word snack. There's no tax on these. Okay, and so all you're going to do. If you can find yourself a partner, you can sit with them and work on number 6. It says, work with someone in your program, so just someone, and decide which of the foods above you want for snacks. Write the types of snacks you want and the quantity and the cost on the chart of the next page. So kind of if you can make yourself, not yet, if you can make yourself just a little chart that has that across, or even just, those headings, and you want to fill those in. Remember, you want to get as close to the 200 without going over. So that's your first thing. And then you want to tell me your total and how much do you have left of the $200. Okay, now here's the next one. Let's talk about number 7. So on the back of your page, write number 7. Then it says the class wants to have a cookout with their families. The students are planning the menu now. They need to know how much food to buy for everyone. So here's an example. There'll be 22 people at the cookout. Each person will eat on average 3 cookies. One package of cookies has 12 cookies inside the package, okay? How many packages do they need to buy? Well, the first thing you need to do is find out how many cookies are going to be eaten. Well, if there are 22 people and they each eat on an average of 3, just do that 22 times 3. Find that total. Now, you need 66 cookies. You can't break the packages up. So here's the thing. If you divide 66 by 12, you get 5 point anything means that you have to buy the 6th package of the cookies for it to work. See how that makes sense? You always round up to the next whole number, whether it's 5.2 or 5.1 or 5.5. We always round up. So you actually need to buy 6 packages. Yeah, you might have some cookies left over, but to guarantee everybody has what they need, okay? So then you've got here a little chart. So I want you to make a similar sort of chart on your package. So let's take a look at the directions. It says, here's a list of foods for the cookout right here. So you're going to use that. You're going to figure out how many you need total for the people. Then you are going to, so like the cookies again, there were 22 people, 22 times 3 is 66. How many packages will we buy? Based on this information right here, in this case, there were 16 cookies per package. So 16 goes into 66, 4 point something, I believe. Let's see here. 66 divided by 16. Yes. And then that's 4 point something means we had to round up to 5. So you're going to make a little chart, and you're going to do it once for 22 and then once for 40 with slightly different amounts. So your job is to find a partner. If there's an odd number of you today, pull in that third person, please, so everybody has a partner. Number 5 on the front, number 6 on the front of your paper, number 7 on the back of your paper. Go do your thing. Try to get it done by the end of class. There you go.